This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Gale Upchurch. Private and peaceful 2.75 air conditioner is waiting for you. A picturesque border of trees and stream to the right and wraps across the back of the property, providing desired privacy. 2,980 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, open floor plan includes family room and dining area, main level first floor primary ensuite. Second floor provides 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Remodeled bottom level makes a perfect in-law suite featuring den, full bath, bedroom and its own street-level private entrance. There is also a huge bonus room that could be used as a game room or exercise room, or whatever you choose. You'll love the back porch and the best gentle breezes. From the porch is the most refreshing above-ground pool complete with surrounding deck and rails. This property has the best location and minutes to 58E bypass to I-64, downtown Suffolk and Franklin. What are you waiting for? The front porch is waiting. For more information,